Yo, what's up? It's your girl Nikki from Capricorn Creation. Here's a quick video on how to edit our Canva $100 bill. Right now, you see me just going over everything that you can actually edit. Now, technically, this video is more so about how to add the photo more than anything. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to right click, go to layer, and then we're going to go down to show layers. Now, once we're here, we're basically just going to drag our photo frame all the way up to the top. All right, so from here, we're just going to drag our photo over. Now, we're just going to make sure that it is cropped and centered the way that we want it. Now, like I said, this is pretty simple. So we're just going to right click, go to layer again and go down to show layers. And then we're going to drag this right back down. Now, if you're interested in this particular template, I will place this in the description.